Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a haul of some fall clearance items I picked up from Joann's. I know a lot of people are showing Christmas items right now, and I do have a couple of those, but I went in there for a specific reason and came out with some other things. So let's get going. Okay, so if you've been watching my channel for a while, you may remember in the spring, I bought some material to make some new curtains for my family room and dining room. And this past weekend, I decided I was going to get those curtains done because I wanted to have them in place for Thanksgiving. However, I needed some additional lining material. They had been out of what I wanted when I was first buying the material. So I went in for that. I also wanted to get some zippers in case I wanted to make some pillows. And so I did get a few little items, some zippers for the pillows, the lining. It's too big to show, and I already used it, in fact. I got some buttons that you can cover, and then I got some other little buttons, and I have a specific purpose for that, and you'll hear about that in a different video. So those were my practical items. But when I first walked into the store, they were having all of their fall 70% off. And normally their prices there are pretty expensive, but at 70% off, I felt it was a good deal. And next year, as I mentioned in a prior video, I'm thinking about doing a navy and kind of gold yellow, like my sweater, theme in my downstairs family room area. And I thought it might be nice to mix in some gray. So I found a couple of these gray velveteen pumpkins. And they're pretty good size. You can see next to my face how big they are. And they were originally $15, can you believe that? But at 70% off, that makes them $4.50 a piece. So I thought that was a good deal, and I thought that would look nice with some navy and this golden yellow color. And then they also had some ribbons there. And I like to get my ribbon at Costco. It's the most economical, but just for some decorative touches in with the Costco ribbon, I picked up a few other colors. So I did find this gingham or smaller buffalo check gray that matched the gray pumpkin. And then there was this plaid, sorry about the glare, that's the yellow color I wanted. And then I wish this had some blue in it, but this sunflower ribbon. And I do like using sunflowers in the fall too, so I thought those would look nice. And they actually go with the colors that are in the material I got for the curtains in my family room. So next year, for fall, I'm gonna be all set. I have those items from Joann's to mix in with the other items I've gotten from Target, plus a few more I got from Target that you'll see in another upcoming haul video. And then I went by their Christmas area, and the Christmas items were 50% off. Now, I normally wouldn't spend this much for ribbon, but I had to get these two things. I'd been looking for something like this. It's a musical staff with notes on it and some gold-edged ribbon. I want to use something like this in my Christmas tree in my living room. That's kind of our music room. We have a piano in there. My older daughter practices her oboe in there. So I wanted to have a little bit of musical notes on the tree. And then also, if you've been watching my channel, you know my younger daughter she loves penguins. And she also loves this color. And I found this ribbon. See if I can get it without glaring. Isn't that cute? I don't know if she'll use it this year, but I wanted to go ahead and pick some up when I saw it because sometimes it's hard to find things. And anyway, so that's my quick little Joann's haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got at Joann's. If you did, why don't you give me a thumbs up? And again, if you are new to my channel, I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So if that sort of content interests you, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? You can do so by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button down below. It doesn't cost you a thing, but you will get notified then when I post new videos. And if you want to get notified every time I post a video, you can click on the bell that's right next to the subscribe button. I want to thank all of you for watching. I'm really looking forward to getting started on my Christmas decorating. I am leaving my family room and dining room in fall decor for Thanksgiving because I am hosting. But I am going to start hopefully decorating my living room area for Christmas a little bit early, and I'll take you along with me as I do that. So I hope you come back and see all of that. And if you're looking for fall inspiration, I will link this year's playlist as well as last year's playlist for you, either in iCards, end cards, or in the description box down below. Thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate all of you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.